Rich,
what are you going to make for us today?
today I'm going to be making a red pepper feta dip. It's actually really good. It was an old recipe from Yaya Mary's.
Yaya Mary's. Never been there.
Excellent, great food. Unfortunately, because of the vid, they had to close it down.
Because of our video?
No.
Damn.
But excellent recipe. It was a really good Greek place, and this is one of the recipes that one of the I don't know if he was a head chef or assistant chef. He told me one day. I asked him, "Hey, how do you guys make this stuff?" And it's super easy, great to do at home. I'm going to make a few suggestions as we go to kind of maybe improve it even better than what it will be.
Okay.
Fun. It's fun to make.
Okay.
Alright, fun to make. I'm looking forward to the fun. Let's bring
Oh.
the fun on!
Let's do it.
I want to smile the entire time you're cooking.
So you want me to get started?
Let's get started.
Okay.
Chase is my brother-in-law.
Yeah.
I won't give you his last name because of he's hiding from the government right now.
Yeah, he works for the government, so I get, it's all kind of on the down low. Down low. So, well, guys, we have some red pepper feta that we cut up. Basically, you know, it's going to end up going into the blender later, so you don't have to worry about it looking pretty. Basically, you just want to cut it down to the point where it's blendable. As far as getting started, typically, on my red peppers, I actually throw them in the pit. And I let them sit in the pit, let them get that nice mesquite smoke or that post oak smoke, whatever you want to, put on it smoke-wise. It enhances the flavor even more. This is not going to be smoked today. It's going to go on a little tabletop and get cooked that way.
On the Blackstone, hashtag Blackstone.
It's red pepper feta. You chop it down. Again, it doesn't have to be pretty. You know, just chop it down to the point where you can fit it in the blender and it doesn't break it. Because let me tell you, my nice KitchenAid I had a couple weeks ago, or 3 weeks ago, whatever it was, died on me doing this. We've got Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. We've also got Conrico. I'm not Greek, so excuse me. Greek seasoning.
Oh, you're appropriating the seasoning.
I'm misappropriating. This Greek seasoning, I usually get both of them, mix them together while I'm doing it. It enhances the flavor, makes it really good. I went and got just regular olive oil. You can use extra virgin or it doesn't matter. I just get the cheap stuff. And then you get you can get 4 to 5 of these. The more cheesier you want, the more you get. I got 4 of these. They're the Athenos feta cheese. Unfortunately, they had reduced fat. I'm not a healthy guy, so I usually get all like...
Obviously.
Yeah, load it down. The more calories, the better. But if you want it cheesier, get more of the fat. I've got these non-pita breads.
It's the non or the nan?
Non.
Okay.
Non?
I'll
Okay.
shut up.
The non-pita bread, you don't have to use naan. You can use any kind you want. I like this. It tastes really good. It's of good quality. But I know H-E-B and some of these other stores have them homemade at the store for probably less than this. So now we're right here at what is it, Blackstone?
Not Blackstone. Hashtag Blackstone.
We are here, and we're going to get these red peppers fired up for us. Just go ahead and throw them down there. Like I said,
You want to put some more oil down, probably.
yeah, I'm going to put some olive oil. Again, we're going to use the organic H-E-B olive oil. But
I should let you use mine. You didn't want to have to open it.
no, it's okay. We go through olive oil like crazy at the house.
We do too.
So we're just going to let these kind of go for a while. Again, if you have a pit and you want to have that smoke, put these bad boys in the pit. One nice.
So things are looking good. I like that char.
Yeah.
That's video. Yeah. Sorry, got short.
No, you're good. It's all good.
One screen without burning it up. There you go.
All right.
I dropped my phone while I was making burgers one time right on top of it.
Oh man.
Yeah, I'm trying to grab it as hot as shit. Fry phone.
All right. So at this point, we've got them nice and nice and cooked, and so we're going to add some flavoring. So I'm going to take the first one, and we're going to season it up. We're taking our Cavenders, just kind of sprinkle some over the top. And again, I'm not
afraid.
Not afraid. You just load it down. Got our
Greek seasoning.
Conrico. We're going to do the same. Going to layer it down. Okay, well, welcome back. So as you can see, we have our red pepper feta, or I'm sorry, our red peppers all cut up, ready to go. We are going to start mixing. Typically what I do is I will pop this open and I will add some olive oil to it. Depending on how many red peppers you use, you might need to add more, you might need to add less. I usually get enough of a base down there so that once the cheese starts getting broken up, there's enough fluid in there to continue to kind of break things down. I will usually add the red pepper feta I'll usually add the red pepper first, and that's what I'm doing now. Kind of your feta, and again, this is just store-bought feta, nothing fancy. Pour that in there. Nice little tip. Save the container, because when you get done and it's blended, you can use these containers to put the dip back in there. And they're small enough to where you can have multiple containers and hook up friends. And they like you even more.
I was going to say, keep the leftovers in the fridge for yourself, but you're so giving, Chase.
So we will get started. We'll throw this bad boy on there.
Now,
here we go. So now we take it. We have our finished product, and usually what I like to do is just kind of give it a little sample, make sure it meets my my standards. So now what we do, our trusty containers that we kept earlier, now these become our storage containers. Now I'm going to tell you from this right here, with it being warm, because we took it off the pit with the red peppers, it's warm. Now the most ideal way to eat this is put them in the containers, throw them in the fridge for like 3 or 4 hours, let them cool down, get your pita bread. When it's cool, in my opinion, much better, much better.
go.
Okay, all right, so as you can see, we've cut up the pita bread into these nice triangular shapes. Typically you can use one, this is just one. The more you cut, the better, because it'll go quick if you don't. We've got it set up here, we've got a little bowl. We're gonna transfer our red pepper feta into the bowl, and then we can try it out, guys.
All right?
All right.
Ready to dig in?
Let's dig in.
Dig in.
Do the
Help
thing.
yourself.
All right,
Dig
dig
in a bit, Mike.
Yeah, come get
Hey,
you.
Mike, you tell your brother you've been in a video.
There you go. He'll be excited.
Hey, Billy, see that hand? That was me.
What was me?
Can't you tell? You see that? See that mold? See, it's right there.
Pretty
Oh,
good.
yeah.
Pretty good.
I'm being attacked by a shark. Dun 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 dun.